Vice President Kari India Jagdeep Dhankar haka jingsynran ulat ke Jylla si H Vijayashankar Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma Mentri Koit ke Khiah Ampareen Lyngdoh ulabo Mawnongrim ya ke jaka hikai pyntbit trei skill and innovation hub kabantay haka jinglut kaba hinyo point san klur tyngka haka ni ke jaka jing hikai kan pyntbit ya ki Samla jong ke Jylla haki babun jat jong ke jok haka jingkren Jagdeep iaroh ya ke jingkiew irat ki kynthei haka ni ke Jylla haki babun kiliang ulo ongru bagi kynthei ki kiew sya ke kedan wat hadu jong ke president jong ke India Meghalaya ke director general of police kaladai ke kynthei iaroh ru ya Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma balapen ya ke jingyo jengai ban kynthei ya ki Samla jong ke Jylla haki babun ki phang kynthop ya ki kam ki jam ka khai ka pateng bat ban yang halaki jong ki jat kajing pyntbit ya ki Samla haka trei ka kata kalong kapadan kam hadu kata haka ni kapor uloong ru ba ka Meghalaya kadan hadu prapusan na kasispa ya ki Samla ki bahapo sa pusan snem karta ki badang day ban pen iya laki sap ki phong haki babun ki lang jong ka emlang sa lang bat haki kam ki jam haka jingkren Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma uloong baka sarkar hapo ka jinglam jong kalapen ya ki dak kishin ki basaiso da ka bawan ra ya ki lat jingerap ban kynthei ya ki jingtre jingta jong ki Samla ka Jylla shaki kinjang bahajrong
for construction workers, there is so much requirement at the international level today. It's just a question of connecting the two dots and to be able to come together, sir. And that's really what we're providing. We're connecting the human resource, we're providing them the platform, and we're showing them the way on how to get there, and we're supporting them financially for the training, sir. So when they train, some fund is required. That is paid by the government, sir. The third thing, sir, which we're doing today, this is this hub's innovation hub. But the third thing which we're doing, sir, is again we are tying up with our institutes that are present in our state, sir. So we are very lucky. Government of India has given many good institutes to our state, whether it's IIM, whether it's NEHU, whether it's NIFT, whether it's NIGRIMS. But the utility of these institutes is limited to the students studying there. So hence, we are desiring that this particular institutes which are there should also play a role in overall development of the state. And that can only happen when we start partnering with them. And hence, one of the steps we're doing today is partnering with IIM Shillong. It's one of the premier institutes in the country today, a business plan competition specifically focused on green energy and different kind of, all green technology that is there in the world today. And we are hopeful that through this particular initiative, we actually may become one of the premier business plan competitions in the country for green technology. So that's what our target is, sir. But in the larger goal, our target, sir, is to see how these we have about close to 20 premier institutes in our state. But as I said, the partnership is limited between the students and the faculty. But we want to now open up the ecosystem more, allow these institutes now to contribute towards the development of the state by partnering with the state and partnering with the people, and not just the students who are studying there, sir. So this is really what the thought process is, which will be moving forward. Next. Yes. So these are the things, sir. I have a lot to say, but I think, sir,
it is an immense honor to stand before you today as we mark a significant milestone in Meghalaya's journey towards empowerment, growth and transformation through skill and innovation. Meghalaya, with its vibrant and dynamic youth population, has long recognized the potential of its younger generation. As a state where the youth population exceeds the national average, we have made concerted efforts to create opportunities that align with their aspirations. Through programs such as Skill Meghalaya, we aim to train over 1 lakh youth in the next 4 years, ensuring that they are well equipped to seize opportunities both locally and internationally. In the last 6 months alone, we have trained over 10,000 individuals across diverse sectors, reflecting on our commitment to human capital development. We have also transcended national borders providing high-paying job opportunities abroad. For example, through our overseas nursing job fair, we have placed 27 nurses in Japan and 14 more will soon embark on their journey to Singapore. To further alleviate our skilling and entrepreneurship efforts, the establishment of the Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub in New Shillong will play a pivotal role. This state-of-the-art facility will not only provide world-class skill development programs, but will also serve as an incubator for innovation and entrepreneurship. Through collaboration with academia, industry and startups, the MSIH will foster a culture of creativity, equipping our young citizens with the tools they need to tackle real-world challenges and lead us into the future.
Under 35 years of age, the state has immense potential to contribute to the human resources requirement of the nation. It gives me a profound sense of honor today to address the gathering in the presence of Honorable Vice President of India. The occasion will leave an permanent mark in the history of the state, and we are truly blessed to have you here, sir.
To all of you. After landing in Meghalaya, my spirits are high. I am having heavenly feeling. You all are blessed to be living here. Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri H Vijayashankar, a man of great experience, exposure, and proficient in administration. His presence would mean a lot to the state of Meghalaya. Sri Conrad K Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, looks younger, but still feels he is in the 15% category. He wants to be in the 85% category. I have to look at my category. You are lucky. But let me assure you all, and the Honorable Governor pointed out, the demographic composition of the state is very soothing also, and is a perfect recipe for success. The teenage youth, the mid-level youth, the mature youth, and the 15% category. 15% category is also good cholesterol required. Chief Minister, you with passion laid out fully the programs. I was very attentive. I am mightily impressed. These will have far-reaching consequences for the better. They will generate an ecosystem where everyone will have an opportunity to exploit talent and potential, realize dreams and aspirations. It's a remarkable achievement that will be game changer. What I saw here, and much of it is already in progress, I can visualize the days of this state are for the better and role model for other similar states. My congratulations to you and your team for being very thoughtful, futuristic, and taking into consideration our contemporaneous needs and requirements. Congratulations. Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, Honorable Minister, handling several portfolios. I had the good fortune to interact with her during lunch. Enormously talented. Her address was very impressive, insightful, and indicates a sharp grip on the jokes he is assigned to. My congratulations to you.